Good afternoon and welcome. This is Matthew Roberts and Lauren DeMoss with Maynard Nexon, and we're here with James at SCbio to talk about the South Carolina or the SCbio annual meeting here in Charleston. James, tell us a little bit about what you've covered today. It's been a lot of folks that are excited, they're high energy. We've had great speakers. Tell us about what you've covered.
Yeah, we've had amazing topics so far, and I've actually heard independently from about 4 or 5 people exactly what you said, the energy that we have here. And right now we've got several cancer focus. We have Eric from Kiatech talking about their amazing testing technology. We have Grail that's talking about their testing, so real oncology. And then if you do get a positive test, unfortunately, then the great work they're doing at Hollings Cancer Center here. So we're kind of covering that whole gamut. And earlier, I gave sort of the state of the industry, which more and more great things are happening. And we just saw from the National Bio Report that South Carolina is 6th fastest growing life science sector in the country.
Wow.
It's top 5 when you look at the pharma industry in particular. So just amazing energy, amazing momentum. And the big theme is, how do we go from this amazing growth to a leader? Our goal is to be an innovation hub. So we love the growth. We want to be a leader. So that's sort of been the theme of the day.
So we've heard from the folks who have located here saying how important SCbio was to their decision, how important the state's incentives were to their decision. Are you getting a lot of momentum from the state and the life sciences industry to support that type of recruitment?
We absolutely are. And I think we're just at the beginning. I mean, the Commerce Department in particular has just been an amazing partner and ally of ours. The fact that life sciences is now a top 3 priority, which is a huge shift in thinking from the past.
It's come a long way.
It's come a long way. And the thing that's great is they're being such a great partner and saying, let's figure this out. We know we have long-term, we need big dollars for incentives and infrastructure and all of that. And we're going to get there, but what can we do short-term? So the free year lab space for qualified companies at Main Street Labs or in Greenville or Blue Sky in Charleston. That was us working with Commerce to say, let's figure that out. They've helped us with stipends. So we've gone from having almost no presence at Bio International Conference, which is the who's who of biotech and pharma, to last year, I think we had almost 50 people from our research universities and, most importantly, our early stage startups. So we get to go talk to the biotechs and pharma. And Commerce helped us helped us to help them with a stipend to get more of them there. So they've been a great partner. I think we're just at the beginning, and they've been really great. Ashley and Julie Kunkel and Harry Lightsey, and saying, we know we have the big goals, but let's figure out how to do things really quickly and short term too.
Does the success of this year's conference kind of get your wheels turning for next year? What's on the horizon, or already have good ideas?
It always does, and you are always amazed and surprised, even though you know how fast you have to start planning for next year. And right after this, we've got, as I mentioned, we've got Bio in Boston. We have doubled our booth size. We're now right when you come down, and that's usually about 20, 30,000 people. Right when you come down, we're right next to Massachusetts, which is, as you know, a great partner of ours, and Pennsylvania. So we want people to come down and say, oh, I know that's a hub. I know that's a hub, and there's South Carolina. And then next year, we're already thinking of this is great, but how do we improve it? And how do we keep showcasing South Carolina? Because that's what it's all about.
And SCbio Drive had its first series of cohorts 3 months ago, and you're doing it again this spring. Was it a success?
It is one of the things that I've been the most proud of, and something that's just getting started. I think last time we talked, it was still just in the idea phase, and we had amazing applications. We brought people in from all over the world, literally. We had a company from Taiwan. We had 2 from Boston, New York. We have our next batch of applications. They're even better. And the partnerships that we've gotten, we now have a close partnership with Eli Lilly, who's our curriculum leader and on our review board. We just added Biogen, who's now going to be a leader and on our review board, Novartis. And then, as I mentioned too, the locals like Maynard Nexon on the IP and legal, and Inspire on the marketing side. Those partnerships are amazing. And then just the eyeballs we're bringing down. We sold out our first demo day. We had no idea. We hope people are going to show up, but you never know.
Great crowd.
And now next year, and I know you've got Kendall on for MassBio right after me, we're combining our demo day. So our demo day is their demo day. So they're going to bring down their companies, their investors, and their mentors all to Charleston. So we're going to get eyeballs and activity and people to see all the great stuff that we have going on down here. They get to see it firsthand. And last year, between the mentors and the companies and everybody involved, I think we had like a 98% success rating where people loved it. I mean, the feedback that we've gotten, and again, this is just the start. So we're so excited, and we're doing more and more with SCbio and how do we combine this into one big program and make sure that we're maximizing for the companies to get more of the life-saving technologies faster to the patients, and also showcasing all that we have in South Carolina. So it's certainly
all good news.
A super passionate thing for me, and excited that we're just getting started.
Well, thanks for coming back again, short notice.
Yeah,
we appreciate
it. Always happy to be here.
And we thank everyone for joining in and watching this latest episode of Taking the Pulse, a healthcare and life sciences podcast.